Splashing into vocabulary. The meaning of water park. Hello, wonderful learners. Are you ready to dive into a new English phrase and make a splash in your vocabulary? Today, we're going to soak up some knowledge about the term water park. This phrase might conjure up images of sunny days, giant slides, and lots of fun in the water. And you're not wrong. Let's explore what makes a water park, and how this phrase fits into the English language. A water park is a type of amusement park that features water play areas, such as swimming pools, water slides, splash pads, water playgrounds, and lazy rivers, where a slow-moving current allows you to float on a raft. These parks are designed for recreational activities involving water. What sets a water park apart from other recreational areas is that all of its attractions involve water. It's a place where both children and adults can enjoy various water-based activities and where swimsuits are a common sight. When you think of a water park, there are several key elements that might come to mind. Water slides. These are the star attraction at many water parks. They can be tall, short, straight, or curvy, and some even have loops. Wave pools. They simulate waves like in the ocean and are a fun way to experience the feel of the sea without the salty water. Splash pads. An area with little to no standing water but with a variety of sprinklers and nozzles that spray water in fun patterns. Lazy rivers. A slow-flowing watercourse, where you can relax on a tube and enjoy a leisurely ride. Kiddie pools. Shallow pools designed for young children to play in safely. The concept of the water park has been around for decades, evolving from simple swimming pool complexes to the elaborate entertainment venues we see today. The term itself is fairly straightforward. It combines water, meaning the clear liquid that is essential for life, and park, referring to an area of land set aside for enjoyment and recreation. Put together, water park is a recreational facility centered around water activities. Let's put our new term into action. We're planning a family trip to the water park this weekend. I heard that the new water park has the tallest water slide in the city. After visiting the water park, don't forget to apply some aloe vera because the sun can be strong. Did you know that water parks can be both outdoors and indoors? Indoor water parks are great places to visit year-round, as they are not dependent on the weather. Also, the largest water park in the world is in China. I hope you had as much fun learning about water parks as you would have visiting one. Remember, a water park is more than just a place to cool off on a hot day. It's a place full of joy, excitement, and the chance to make a splash while learning English. Keep practicing your new vocabulary, and maybe one day, you'll get to tell your friends all about your adventures at a water park in fluent English. Until our next lesson, keep swimming in the sea of knowledge.